stuff.
So my name is Dr. Yonatan Levron. I'm a chiropractor from Tel Aviv, Israel, and came here on my honeymoon and came to this dude to get adjusted because I heard a lot about him, and he's a great adjuster. All right, so I'm gonna do this one right here. Take a deep breath in and let everything go. Nice and easy. Very good. And you're going to do the CT as well. Right here. Deep breath in for me. And let everything go. Good. Beautiful. Okay. So lay down on this side for me.
I have difficult to adjust in my back.
Quite mobile there.
Yeah.
But I'm going to try to adjust only your SI joint right here. Deep breath in for me, and just nice and easy. Relax. Oh, good.
Excellent.
Yeah, other side. Okay, so you have an L3 here and a SI there. So we're going to adjust your L3. Deep breath in, and let everything go. That's one. And two. On your back. And this.
Oh,
I'm gonna go with my thumb here.
nice. That was great.
Perfect. Pull. Yeah, to get some fluid going on in there. Right here. That's it. And this one. That's it.
Okay.
Okay. Here. Just want to double check.
Yep.
A bit there. Deep breath in and let everything go.